Hey, it's Taylor. It's your boy Taylor Grant with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Anna of Golden, Colorado writes, after paying for homeowners insurance for almost 15 years, I had a problem with the property. Evidence was requested by the insurance company and provided by me. However, the claim was denied. Insurance company has two kinds of customer service professionals, and they're both very well trained. One is a trap that gets you to pay for insurance, which they will love your premium payments on time. The second is the strongly trained department to deny claims at any cost. So you guys have heard me say, there's two separate departments of insurance. One is the sales side, your agent, probably a great person, right? The other side is the claim side. They're probably great people too, but they've been trained to deny claims. Sometimes legitimate claims, sometimes not legitimate claims, right? So ultimately, make sure you have an advocate working for you on your behalf. Let's see, remember the cartoon, The Incredibles? If you remember, if you know, you know. Exactly the same thing. Please always read the lowest stars reviews before signing for your new or next insurance company. So yeah, I mean, all sorts of stuff here, right? Ultimately, the thing that I want you guys to understand from this video specifically is insurance companies are absolutely necessary for what we do and how we live because of unforeseen risks that we don't actually know until it might happen. So you want to make sure you have the right insurance for the potential risks. And the best way to do that is to look around online, look at the reviews, talk to your friends and neighbors to see who they have for insurance and what kind of experience they had, not with the dollar amounts that they pay, but how the claims are actually paid. How is the claim paid? Have you ever had a claim on your property, Mr. or Mrs. Neighbor? Yes, I have. Well, how was that experience? It was great. I highly recommend it. That's awesome. You might want to go with that insurance company, right? If not, then you also know that too. So make sure you are well educated and well informed before you make a decision to choose an insurance company, because I say it a lot. Cheap insurance is cheap until you need a claim paid. But once you need a claim paid and they deny your claim or drag it out and delay your claim or underpay your claim, the difference of how much money you save per month versus how much you have to come out of pocket to get your property repaired, well, that's what you need to look at, okay? So ultimately, if you have a claim that should be paid and you're being denied or delayed or underpaid, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.